down punch, double jab cross, double jab cross. So it's right foot forward, right pad down, and the left pad up. Try and keep both pads together. So you don't want to do this, and you want it the same height as well. Yeah. You want to bend your back knee, and you want to make sure you lunge down on a downward punch. You are hitting with your knuckle. Yeah. So it's a 4 count. Double jab cross, double jab cross. "40 seconds one side, other side, left foot forward. Same again, it's kinetic punching, so when the first punch goes, the second punch is going straight after. So it's touchdown jack. The low option is just to touch the floor, feet wide, knees out, chest up, keep the chest up and keep looking up. So you touch the floor. And the big option is the bounce. Keep looking up, chest up, power legs. Like plyo push-ups, your first low option is just to do a normal 3/4 push-up. So it's chest forward, all the way down, all the way up. Then you can progress to a plyo push-up on your knees. It's a bit plyometrics, great for punching power. And if you want, you can go on your toes. And the big option is to use your feet as well. So your toes come off the floor. Exhale out. Okay, burpee front kicks. The most important thing is looking up, don't look down, because you look up and look down, you'll get dizzy. So keep looking to the front and think about the squat as well. So the low version is both knees out, feet out, chest up, look up, both hands on the floor. Your right foot goes back, left foot back, and come back the same way. Look up, kick, squat, kick, squat. High version is both feet. Again, keep looking up, both knees out, hands on the floor. Jab cross 8 count, double right hook, double left hook. When you're putting the pads up for the hooks, just make sure it's one pad at a time. So it's your right pad first, and I'll be double hooking this way. Then the left pad, double hook. Yeah. Don't do this, both pads together, because they get in the way, and you can't get the right hook in. Yeah. So right foot forward first. You've got 8 count jab cross, double right, double left. 40 seconds work, left foot forward, same again. Last 30 seconds of the round, it's a straight blast 1-2 for 30 seconds. Plyo squat lunges. The low version is just to do a wide squat and then stepping back. Make sure you step back in a box shape so your feet shoulder apart all the time. The higher version is the plyo. So plyo version, just jump it in 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's lunge, squat, lunge, squat. Push-up squat thrusts. The easy option is to go on your knees. So make sure you've got a mat on the knees. Hands wide, head forward, normal 3/4 push-ups. You go down, up, and you come on your toes. 1 foot in, and back out. Back down the knees, push up, and then, yeah. So just on the toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, back on the knees, and a push up. The higher, a little bit higher version, so stay still on the knees, but 2 feet at the same time. So you go down, up, down, up. Come on the toes first. Knees come halfway, back out, back on the knees, and a push up. Yeah. Now the bigger version is to stay on the toes. So you get rid of the mat. Normal push up position. Down, up. The higher version is to start with both knees in. As you go down, your feet go out. So it's down, up, down, up. Okay, tuck jumps, tough exercise, very tough, very good cardiovascular. You can do the triple jump first for the low option. So it's 1, 2, 3, and lift your knees high. Try not to kick your heels behind, try and lift your knees up to the front. So it's 1, 2, 3, jump. If you want to take the bounce out, you can just do a squat knee. So you can go squat, knee lift, squat, knee lift. If you've got any injuries or just want to bring it low, yeah. The next level up is a double. So you just go 1, 2 and jump. So it's 1, 2. Then you've got the singles, just a single jump, flat out, 25 seconds. Last 30 seconds of the round, it's a straight blast 1, 2 for 30 seconds.